Chapter 3, A 100-meter Race. Gia was at the breakfast table. That day she was not happy and chirpy as she usually was on other days. Chirpy means talkative. There was some kind of stress and tension in her mind. Gia, her father said, "Are you all right? You look tense today." "Yes, I am, Dad," she replied. "I am representing my school at the state level athletic meet today and I want to win the 100 meters race." "Why should you be tense about that?" asked her father. "Dad, I'm not sure if I will make it," she answered. "I want to be the fastest schoolgirl in the state. I am tensed about that." Her father finished his breakfast and then walked over to Gia. Placing his hand on her shoulders as if to comfort her, he said, "Gia, either you win the race or you don't. Don't worry, the sky is not going to fall on you. Means there will be nothing terrible if you lose the race. If you win, you will be honored. If you lose, there is always another chance. This is a sport. It does not benefit one to be tensed." This means if you are taking part in a sport and you are taking tension, it is not good. Chia already felt better listening to her father. She could sense his support and felt more confident. "Have you been practicing for the event?" asked her father. "Yes, Dad," she responded. "My trainer says I will make it. He is satisfied with my preparation for the race." "Then all you need to do is relax. The race is in the afternoon. Just relax. Get all the tension off your mind. If you believe you can do it, you will. The difference between the winner and the loser is just one or two steps that come about through confidence and attitude. It is these two steps that matter. You need to conserve your energy for those two extra steps. Don't lose this energy on tension. Conserve it for the race. Here, conserve means save. "Yes, Dad," said Gia. "I understand what you mean." "Go to your room, lie down, and relax. Pray to God. Ask for His help and seek extra energy. As you pray to Him, repeat to yourself that you can do it. You will do it. Say, 'God is with me, I will do it.' When you reach the starting point, forget everything. You should have only one goal, the finishing line. Reach there as fast as you can. God will carry you through. God bless you." "Yes, Dad," said Gia. "Thank you, Dad. I will remember what you have said." Gia went to her room and her father left for work. She lay down on her bed, thinking of the preparation she had made, and prayed to God with closed eyes. She felt she had God's support. She kept repeating the words, "With your support, God, I can do it." Now she felt more relaxed and confident. Then it was time for lunch. She had lunch with her mother and was ready to leave when the telephone rang. It was her father. He reassured, means he comforted her and told her to stop worrying, and he reassured her that she would win. When Gia reached the playground, the other athletes were waiting for her. The trainer was telling everyone to relax and be confident. He was trying to boost everyone's spirit. Finally, the 100-meter race for girls was announced. Gia was relaxed and kept repeating mentally, "God is with me. I can do it. I will do it." Her father was not there, yet she felt his presence. She moved to the starting line and remembered her father's words. When you are at the starting line, forget everything, just focus on one goal, that is the finishing line. The athletes stood at the starting line in the ready position. Then the gun was fired. They all ran. The race finally came to an end in a few seconds. Gia won the race. She was declared as the fastest schoolgirl in the state. Gia returned home in the evening. She went to meet her father. She hugged him and said that she had won the race. She said, "Dad, It is because of you that I made it. I was not too sure of myself until you reassured that I could do it. You are the best dad in the world. God bless you, Gia, her father and mother said in unison, means together. We are proud of you. So, dear children, a confident person is one who is free of doubt and believes in himself. So, always be confident. Thank you.